somebody's moving in down there. Up in here. Good morning. Good morning. Running late as per usual, but about to head to Dunkin' and get coffee since I'm out of cream. And I've got a day full of showings. I've got to meet my contractor at that one house, and then I am doing something else. I don't know. I'm meeting him for sure around lunchtime, but I've got to go look at 2 houses prior to, and then at least 2 or 3 after. So you're coming with me. Hey, can I get a large caramel iced latte, please? And a bacon, egg, and cheese wake up wrap? Just one, please. The bacon, egg, and cheese. And that's all. Thank you. All right. Okay, so you get here off the road, and there's this little driveway, and then there's area over here that you could use as parking. It has a cute little lamp, cute little fence. It's pretty close to the road, but it is not the main road. It is off the main road, and right over there is a park. This is Martin Luther King Drive in Perry. This is the road over here. So here's the living room. She did say that the tenants are planning on moving out in March, which would be good for y'all. Hi, baby. Hi. It's a puppy. If you come in the front living room, I'm assuming this could be a dining room or extra space. We come in here to the kitchen. Pretty good size room. Open, it's not too tight. That would be pantry, I suppose. Check. Oh, nope. Laundry. Laundry. Right off the kitchen. Let's go down the hall. There's a back door here. Backyard. Little shed. It's a big room. So we've got big room here. It's kitty room. Yeah, we have a kitty room here, but it is a big size. Let's see if this is a bathroom or something. Hey, kitchen. Hey, kitties. Love all your stuff here. All right, I think that one's gonna be a no. It needs a little bit too much work, I think, for them. And the layout's a little wonky. It has a few different things that might need to be fixed. I mean, pretty good size rooms. They did say the tenant were moving out in March, so they were going to be doing some updates to the house after that, but I don't know, we'll see. I'll send the videos over to out-of-state buyers, and they can go through the video and see for themselves kind of if that would be a good fit for them or not. I'm heading 3 minutes down the road to my house my contractor's at. Let's get it. Well, we got the whole crew over here at the contractor. Let me go meet him. I just met with the contractor. He's finishing up touch-ups and everything, so let me see if I can get out of her. All right, so I'm going to another house. It's like 5 minutes away or so. I'm learning that most everything in Perry is like within 5 minutes from each other, all the houses that are listed. So I'm headed to one more house right now, and then I just called another agent to see if we can look at. There's actually a house 2 houses down from this one that I have listed, and it's for sale now. They renovated it, so I am going to see if I can go look at that. Where am I? I guess it was not a dead end at some point. I love these roads. We're just out here in the country. No dead end sign or nothing. Dead ends into a field. Next house. Hi, Trevor.
Hola. You got the address in?
I do.
All right, let's go.
How was work?
Good. Pretty slow today compared to yesterday, but slow days are good at work.
Now we're going to look at this house for his mom and dad, and we're going to FaceTime her when we get there. Alrighty, we just got here. I actually love the property, and we're on a cul-de-sac, so.
Morgan's.
I love this area.
Very quiet. The roof looks pretty good, actually. looking to see if I can see any.
It looks fairly new.
I thought so more than two. I don't see any black. I don't see any pine needles.
Yeah, I don't see.
Windows they look in good shape, don't they?
What is this?
This room. This is the big mirror room.
Oh.
Hi. The Chobani purple. That's my favorite one.
Your favorite creamer.
Favorite bun. Favorite creamer. Trying
Alright,
some
so
waters.
when we get to the car, order some Chick-fil-A and we can go.
Back home. Morning, everybody. We are on the way to our house in Perry, working on it today, replacing the floors.
Yep.
This is us pre-coffee. But we're gonna go to Lowe's first and then Dunkin'.
And then working all day.
Yeah. Quinn! Good morning.
Morning.
I think Quinn and I are boozing later.
I have roped in my brother and Quinn into this journey.
Quinn didn't get dressed.
Sorry. Between this and this. So I think I might get this one here.
The warm honey oak is cheaper. I don't know.
The what?
Warm honey oak is actually quite a bit cheaper.
Where's warm honey oak?
Charleston oak is like $10 cheaper in oak.
Okay. Oh,
A little bit darker one up there.
what about this?
That might be the jute.
It's Tudor oak.
Oh, Jamestown hickory is cheap too. I didn't realize they had all these on sale.
Deal. Yeah, Tudor oak. That's it. On sale.
This is Tudor. You like that?
I know what we're doing.
Oh, that's Tudor oak.
That's Tudor.
That's really
Or the Jamestown hickory is on sale too. I want to see if we can find.
The flax oak is kind of similar as well.
Yeah, it's just a little bit warmer. Whatever's on sale.
Yeah, honestly, that's what I was thinking.
But I like, wait, Charleston? What color is Charleston?
Anything else to do?
Can I get two?
No, we could ride together. Yeah, that'd be fun to take some trips. I know you were looking at the Triumph. It's nice. Yeah, of course. Triumph is they're always expensive.
All right, ready?
You got it?
Yeah.
Time to go.
Ready? They just didn't put it up. In reach.
We are walking to this house because we're actually working on the one next door. So this one's for sale. It's got a big yard.
For about 6 months, this was originally
Hi, kitty. Hi. That's a good sized room too. Oh, that's so cute. You come off the kitchen, and then there's separate room down here with a separate entrance. Got a little living area here, a little bedroom, walk-in closet, bathroom, bookshelf. That's so cute. And then you look back, there's even more space in the backyard. It goes all the way over. Kitchen. Oh, this is so cute. Look. Look, more storage. Separate entrance. And then back upstairs is the kitchen. Living. There's like a small, so this could be separate den. Do you know if this door here? Okay, nice laundry room. Nice. That is so cool. Little storage space. Hi, baby. Windows are nice. Yeah, all the windows look new.
Yes.
Cool.
I actually believe, yeah, all the windows got it.
Yeah.
Every single one.
Nice. Okay. Okay, so this one is actually my favorite that we've seen so far. I really like it, and I think they definitely would like it. So you come down. This is another like entrance type thing here, but this is all the house, the property. So we've got that driveway, but then like you could use this driveway too as well for the side door here. Then you've got the fence. I mean, it's in fairly good shape. It all goes all the way up here. It's vinyl siding. Nice. And that's the house we're working on. This looks good. So we got new sheetrock here. They redid where there was like a hole there. And then they left me some paint for touch-ups. They painted the shelving.
Too big. What is this? I don't know what the hell they did with this. What are we thinking here?
The progress so far. Hardware, so we need more items than we thought because the floor is worse off than we thought, so we ripped up the tile that we found underneath the vinyl and now we are down to the subfloor, so gotta figure that out. Got a paintbrush for touch-ups. Back at Lowe's getting extra wood. We ripped up all the tile. The subfloor is intact.
What else do we need? Oh, fence.
Now Jesse's complaining because it's already close to his bedtime. We're taking you to dinner, don't worry.
Yeah, there you go.
Hibachi or Red Lobster? Hibachi. Alright, so now we're getting the molding that's gonna go up in the ceiling. Got that fixed.
My GPS says it's only 5 hours and 17 minutes if I leave right now.
If you leave right now.
She should.
Hi, Mom.
Come on.
Back again. Time to put in the floor. Show.
Yeah, this is what we did yesterday. This was... that happen?
What? Huh?
Marker.
What'd you do with the marker, dude? Quit playing. That's one thing, dude. What the? What the heck is that?
I like that idea. That's a good idea.
That's terrible.
Perfect. And yeah, no, we didn't replace the flames because we couldn't get it out.
It's all fun.
All that's fixed. So I did that, painted that. Much better. We're wrapping up the job finally. Finishing the floor, finishing the mold. They're doing the bathroom wax seal. I had to help with Dad today. And Mom. And we just finished the molding in the room, checked over contractor work, and now we're cleaning up.